14th sum, important sum. This is the sum which we asked in public exam 3 years before, just like a creative question. So you need to understand this sum and do the properly. So we know we studied in 10th standard multiplication of matrix. This multiplication matrix, suppose I am going to take one matrix M and I am going to another take matrix N. So I am going to get Mn matrix. So if its order is going to be 2 cross 4, this order is going to be 4 cross 3. So how the multiplication of matrix is possible? First matrix column, this is a column, second matrix row should be equal. First matrix, this row, this is column, second matrix row and column. First matrix column and second matrix row should be same. Then only the result matrix Mn will be 2 cross 3. So this is our idea for multiplication of matrix. Same I am going to use here also. What is the order for this matrix? 2. What is this one? 3. 2 cross 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. Here the same. 2 cross 3. So if we are going to find, if we are going to take this one as this A I don't know what type of matrix, I don't know A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be minus 7, 8 and minus 9. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 8. Sorry. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and 2, 4, 6. I will check answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and 2, 4, 6. Okay, nice. So first we'll check the order. Order is 2 cross 3. Here order is also 2 cross 3. Multiplication is possible, only we got an answer. So what will be order for A? Surely it's going to be 2 means 2, this row and this column should be equal. So surely the column is 2. Okay, the same, this one should be same. So only I get 2 cross 3. So this is the, if we are going to see, this 2 comes from here. First matrix row. This 3 comes from second matrix column. Listen very carefully. This 2 cross 3 comes from, this 2 comes from first matrix row, second matrix column. Therefore, this is first matrix row. First matrix row is 2. Second matrix column, see 3. So the same here should be same, 2 cross 2. So order for A matrix is 2 cross 2. Let A matrix I am going to assume as A, B, C, D. What is order? 2 cross 2. This is must. You should not put 3 cross 3. Answer comes from. So you can take it as A, B, C, D. So write A, B, C and D. This is A matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. Now we will multiply to find the answer. This both. A into 1. A into 1 is A. B into 4 is 4B. A into 2, 2A. 5 into B, 5B. A into 3, 3A. 5 into 6, 6B. Next. C into 1, C. D into 4, 4D. C into 2, 2C. D into 5, 5D. C into 3, 3C. D into 6, 6D is equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. This also order called 2 cross 3. This also order called 2 cross 3. Now we can equate this one and this one. A plus 4B. A plus 4B is equal to minus 7. Next, this one and this one. 2A plus 5B. 2A plus 5B is equal to minus 8. So we can solve both this equation. Keep this equation 1, equation 2, because we need to find A, B, C, D. If we are going to solve, we can get A and B. For C and D, we will equate this one and we will find C and D. So equation 1 should be multiplied with 2. So 2A, no. Equation 2, write as it is. Equation 1 multiplied by 2. 2 into A is 2A. 2 4s are 8B. Minus 7. Minus 7 2s are 14. Next write 2A plus 5B is equal to minus 8. So put minus, this plus into minus, this minus become plus. plus 2a minus 2a gets cancelled. 8b minus 5b is 3b. 8b minus 5b is 3b. Minus 14 plus 8 is minus 6. So b is equal to minus 2. We got b is equal to minus 2. So apply b equal to minus 2 in equation 1. b equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So a plus 4 into what is b value? Minus 2 is equal to minus 7. A minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 minus 8 becomes plus 8. Therefore a is equal to 1. We got answer. A is equal to 1. Now we equate this c plus 4d, 2c plus 5d. Solving 3 and 4. This is 2c, this c. So 3 equation multiply with 2. And fourth equation write as it is. So what going to comes? 2 into c is 2c. 4 2s are 8d. 2 2s are 4. Next 2c plus 5d is equal to 4. Minus minus minus. Plus 2c minus 2c gets cancelled. Plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. 8d minus d. 3d is equal to 0. So we get d is equal to 0 because 0 by 3 is once again 0. So apply d equal to 0 in equation 3. Applying d equal to 0, c plus 4 into 0 is equal to c is equal to, because 4 into 0 is 0. Therefore c is equal to, we need to take another last answer. What is a? A, b, c, d. So a answer is going to be 1, b answer is minus 2, c answer is 2, d answer is 2, d answer is 0. So this is the required matrix A. Sometimes the question will be changed. During that time you need to arrange the matrix A as we need to do in examples. I gave one example I gave to you. Like that you put and arrange what is the resultant matrix, what the known unknown matrix should be, what is the order of unknown matrix should be. We need to arrange. Sometimes we can get 3 cross 3 also, no problem. If 3 cross 3 also we get, we need to solve and do the sum. Thank you.